Damn, you made the A-list?
A-list. A-list.
What's the motherfucking deal? Shout out A-List Studio. It's your boy Skrilly the GOAT. Back at the ones and two. Let's get it.
Shut up, you damn nasty.
Yeah. Check me out, family. From the 816 to the 817. Let's get it. Man, that shit I seen only for mature viewers. Niggas worried about that life, cause niggas don't fight no more, they shooters. All I do is go advanced, I don't fall into the hype. And all my niggas set trends, hope you niggas see the light. Free my nigga Lucky, trying to get that nigga life. Hope my nigga beat the case, that nigga hit me up tonight. I just jumped up out of Benz, niggas hating, looking salty. Baddest bitch is just my friend, but I fuck him, then I floss him. I can front my nigga pound, he'll give me two back. If you front your niggas pound, now you wouldn't do that. Jordan backpack fashion, every time I hit the scene, niggas wonder why I'm looking how I'm looking, I'm on green. Yo bitch gotta get head on her, I put her on the team, but I don't fuck him like I should, then she wouldn't let me leave. Do about 7 drop off for 9 bands like a breeze. Gotta see it how I see it, man, my vision is elite. Suck with the pressure pipe with me and I bust shit. Fuck this, about to get some blood on my truck fit. Suckin' niggas be fraudulent, those who I don't fuck with. First 48 question everybody, suspect. Look at how I move in the streets, they call me Mike Jack. Smoking on that loud, I be plugged in like Mike Jack. Fucking with my dog, been a block and I be right back. Desi got corona, see if you niggas can fight that. Knock a nigga out if he hoe when I'm like that. Nike's on his neck, since he hoe, we can't fight back. Fucking on them hoes, tell them keep it on the 2 pulls, then pass like it's people on the blunt. Niggas travel like wolves and we all was on the hunt. When I first touched down, man, I kick it like a punt, ayy. And all my life I've been black like this. 30 clip, need a Drake to attach my shit. Told the plug I hit him back right quick. Heat pack my shit, you couldn't see me on some black light shit. What you know about getting beat by the po-po? Hoping that you ever catch that pussy solo. Fuck that, cock back, let a low go. Straight keep it tight on they neck like a polo. Stay out my sight cause my beam really glow though. I pull your little bitch in strings like a yo-yo. These niggas punks and they follow my mojo. Catch a nigga drippin' shit, draped up in rojo. Oh no, girl your nigga so-so. Swag like a hobo. Fuck a cold D on me, I'm riding dolo. Put me in the game, coach. Hustle on 110. Catch a lick like it's third base, how I run it in. Niggas have bad morale so they don't fucking win. Hellcat smashing the gas and watching fucking spin. My niggas still glorifying what they did in school. My life a movie, where the fuck is my 1,000,000 views? Yada. Again, that's Skrilly the GOAT, man. From the 816 to the 817. What's the word? That's the lingo. Hard mind for the realest, nigga. Bag town.
It's official. You've been A-listed.